My name is Ellis Fell, and I'm a psychology major here at PBA. My God-sized dream for the future is to hopefully live overseas one day and be able to counsel kids who have gone through really traumatic situations. PBA is really helping equip me to live out my God-sized dream by allowing me to be so involved in CM Global and the behind the scenes of the missions world. What personally drew me here was CM Global. I was super involved with missions in high school and want to do missions for the rest of my life. And so hearing about CM Global and knowing that there was an organization to where I could personally be involved as a student leader to help serve abroad was super special to me. And as soon as I found out about CM Global, I knew I wanted to be here. I would say that PBA has helped me grow spiritually because it's just pushed me deeper in my faith. There's so many different ways that you can get involved on campus and so many different things that you can join and be a part of to grow your faith. And so just really getting connected. PBA is so great. You could go to a Bible study every single night of the week if you wanted to. Just being able to take advantage of those resources has been phenomenal. A unique leadership opportunity that I've had here at PBA is that I've been able to serve as a global project coordinator with CM Global. Global project coordinators help plan the trips, oversee the co-leaders, and talk to the field partners. It's super cool because most universities, these are staff positions that help oversee the trips, but we get to be student leaders who help oversee the trips, and that's been able to prepare me for the future because I've been able to get a better grasp of what it looks like to really, truly be involved in missions. I just feel like this experience is something that I'm going to carry with me for the rest of my life. Thank you for giving to PBA. PBA is the start of so many people's testimonies and it impacts so many people's lives. It's impacted my life in such a profound way. It wouldn't be possible without you guys.